Hi, my name is Alex. Well, technically it's Alexandra because I'm from Poland, but I like people to call me Alex, mainly my English speaking friends. And this is my first ever vlog. Yeah, it's gonna be really awkward, for me at least, but I hope it's gonna be fun. So in 2 days, I'm getting a flight to Belgium to see my boyfriend again because he lives in Belgium. I live in Poland still, which hopefully will change soon this year. But yeah, for now, we're making it work long distance, and I'm packing right now. For me, packing 2 days before going somewhere is really late because I usually am packed week before. Well, not everything, like not like a toothbrush or something, but like I have everything ready. But to be honest, I do have a list of things on my phone that I'm taking with me. So I just need to tick them off while I put them in my suitcase, which is there. That's why I'm looking at it. That's where I'm looking in that direction, not at it. And yeah, let's get packing. So that's how currently my suitcase is looking like. As you can see, I just kind of dump things in it that I know I'm taking or that I'm considering taking. Because looking at it, it's a bit too full. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just like flying with a carry-on. I never flew with like a big luggage because all my flights are to people I know, like never to hotels or something. So stuff like towels, I don't know, hair dryer, I don't need to bring with me, even though hotels do have them. But you know what I mean. For example, like, I don't know, shampoo. I'm not taking a shampoo with me because I'm going to use somebody else's. Yeah. So that's how I'm doing it. When it comes to flying with a carry-on only, I finally found a bag that fits the smaller measurements because you can take one like a suitcase, like a rolling suitcase, and one handbag, basically. But none of the normal handbags fit the smaller measurements of the luggage. So finally, I found something that does fit it. And technically, this is a makeup bag. It even has like a mirror here with the foil still on it, but you can detach that, which is really cool, which I probably will do. And it fits double the things that my normal handbag would. And this is the handbag I'm on about because that's usually what I'm flying with, something this size. But I want both. Like, I want the size of this one because I can pack more things, but this one looks good. So, instead of putting this one into my big luggage and taking up space, I might just do this. I know it fits. There. See? Literally double the space. So I might do it like that. I know it looks stupid, I know, but it's supposed to be practical for me. So yeah. Okay, so now it's time for me to pack. I will probably talk to you tomorrow after I'm already packed and ready. Because today I still need to look through my clothes, see what exactly I have there, see what I'm bringing. Because I want to make sure that I have diverse clothes. So not like a one top that I'm only gonna wear once, if you know what I mean. Because it's not how you do it when you fly with a carry-on. You do have to think about the outfits that you're gonna want to put together. And what else do I need to do today? Maybe buy a few bits and pieces. Like, oh yeah, I was gonna buy thermal leggings because I get really cold really quickly. And it's colder in Belgium. Maybe not colder, but it's more humid and more windy, which means it feels like it's colder. So yeah, and I don't want to get ill and be whining that I'm cold the whole time. So yeah, that's what I have to do today. And I'm gonna show you tomorrow the final result of how my suitcase is looking like.
Hi. That's for you.
So I just landed in Belgium and now we're heading off to eat a very healthy food, which is McDonald's. And this is Nicholas or Nico or whatever you want to call him. What do you want to be called, like? No idea.
Nico, I guess. I don't know.
Okay, that's gonna work. Okay, so we're gonna go eat. I'm really hungry. It's food time! So we have arrived like in 2 hours or something ago at Nico's house, and we had a nap because we were both really tired. I woke up today at like 5 a.m. to go to the airport, and he also got up early to pick me up, so we had to have a nap. And I also got flowers. He got me a bunch of flowers. So I've put them in a vase, whatever you want to call it. They're a bit big though. Like, I think I need a new vase. But it works for now. It's beautiful red roses in there. It's 5 of them. I don't know where the 5th one is. Somewhere there. So yeah. Good morning, everyone. It's actually not morning anymore. It's about noon. And I have been just getting ready while Nico went to the train station to pick up my brother because he's coming to visit us for the weekend. And once they arrive here, he's just gonna leave his backpack and we're gonna get on a train to go to Bruges to do a bit of sightseeing, even though the weather is not that great because it's raining. But yeah, we're gonna make the most out of it anyway. So I'll see you there. Bruges for a while now. Haven't recorded anything because the weather is really bad. And we're going to a cafe behind us to have a drink and try not to freeze and get ill. So yeah, that's the plan. We are in Antwerp, just arrived. That's the train station of the most beautiful in Europe. We dropped off my brother at the train station to go back to Amsterdam, and now we're gonna go do a bit more shopping in the city and go back home. So we did a bit of shopping in Antwerp, tiny bit, right?
Yes.
I bought a book to learn Dutch. We'll see how that goes. And now we're on our way to the train station to go back home.